Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Great, great. Okay, are you ready now, Dalio? Are you ready now? Let's start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for this afternoon, your lesson would be this one. We're not done yet in here, right?
Okay.
Okay, now read, please.
Getting ready for school.
Good. Can you tell me what is he doing?
He
He is. What is he doing?
I don't know.
He is getting ready for school. Okay, this one. What's this? What is
It's
that?
back.
Very good. What do you call this?
It is a short. I
It's
know.
not.
It's a it
It's a.
it's I don't know.
You. But do you know the word trouser?
No.
Ah, I see. Okay, so that is actually called trousers. I think you have a lot of trousers. Like this. Hold on. Like this. Do
Okay.
you have any trouser?
No.
Huh? What do you use? What do you use every day? What do you use every day? Dalio,
Um. Um.
what is it?
Is food. The water.
What do you, I
Um.
mean, what clothes do you use every day? Is it a short, a pants,
Short.
a short?
Short.
Ah, okay, okay. So now let's continue. What do you see in the picture?
I can see the notebook,
Mm-hmm.
the bag, the pen.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. How about that? What's that? This one.
I don't know.
Paper. You know paper, right? Paper.
Paper.
Yes. Do you know this?
No.
Ah, okay. It's like this. You use this to write anything. Paper. In Viet,
Paper.
yes, in Vietnamese,
The,
giấy, Gareth.
okay.
Good. Okay, so that is a paper. How about this one? What's this? What is that?
Um, um,
Do you know it?
no.
Ah, okay. It's actually called zipper.
Zipper.
Yeah, like this. You can, what's this? Kaisik? What's kaisik? Shovel. Kaisek is a shovel.
No, 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 no.
Ah, okay, let's see. What is it in? No. Zipper. Daikyu? Daikyu? Okay.
No,
No?
no.
What is it?
Okay, I'm writing.
Oh, sure. Tikwanao. Ah, I don't know. Wait. Ah, rip clothes. What do you mean by this? Ah, okay. You see that in the clothes. Okay. Now, can you tell me what are they doing? They are
I don't know.
racing there.
I don't know writing there.
How about this one? You
Hmm,
you understand? You understand? Okay.
okay,
So they
o-
are raising their hand. The two children. Okay.
okay, I'm writing.
Are you writing?
Okay.
Sungpung? Volunteer. Yeah. Somehow they volunteer. Yes. Now look at the picture value and try to tell me, okay, like make a guess. What do you think? Where is she from? This. Where is she from?
Be from.
Where is
Um,
she from?
okay. I don't know.
Oh, do you think she's from China? Or
Okay.
do you think she's from Vietnam? Or do you think you're writing? Okay.
No, no, no.
I
Where?
you don't know. Okay, how about this girl? What do you think? Where is she from?
Okay, I'm writing. Uh,
Andu. What's this? India. Very good. Yes. She is from India because of her clothes and because of that. Now, how about this boy? Where do you think he's from?
Be from America.
Because of the blonde hair. Okay, now read.
Monday is the first day of school.
Yes, Monday is the first day of school. Not Saturday, not Sunday, but Monday. Okay, now how about this girl? Where do you think? Where is she from?
Mm, Japan.
Ah, good job. Okay, how about this?
Uh, I don't know.
Philippines.
No,
It's not from the Philippines.
I don't know.
You don't know Philippines? That's my country. Philippines.
No,
Huh?
no,
What do you mean?
I don't know it.
Ah, you don't know Philippines. Wait. That is where I live. I live in the Philippines.
Okay.
Oh, the same. Okay, read please.
No, no, no. I don't know.
You don't know what?
Up
Up, where?
this.
Ah, I'm not sure to maybe it's wearing something like that. Probably. Mexico? I'm
Okay.
not sure. I'm not sure. Do you know Mexico?
Mm, yeah.
Okay, because
Okay.
Mexico likes wearing cowboy hat people. They like wearing cowboy hat. So maybe that is Mexico. Oh, see, they
Okay.
like wearing hat, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So probably Mexico. How about this one? This girl.
I don't know.
Maybe Africa. Do you know Africa?
No.
Oh, Africa is a country. They're actually black African people. They're like this. They're black. Like this.
Okay.
They're black and their hair is curly. Okay, so probably she's African. Now read.
Children arose, arose was the one. Go to the school. Some win. Go to school for the mischief.
Time.
Time.
First time. Okay. Now tell me, what is she doing?
He is um, I don't know.
Hmm? What is she doing? She is
I don't know.
preparing. Do you know the word preparing?
No.
Ah, okay. Hold on. She is preparing her school things. Now read, please. Read.
Okay.
Okay. She
She is doing her school thing.
preparing.
Repairing.
Okay, you understand it now? Okay, read,
No.
please. Huh?
Uh,
You
yes.
don't. Okay. Now
Yeah.
read.
They guess walking back, backpack, backpacker, and pencil.
Do you have a backpack?
No,
You don't have a backpack?
I don't know backpack.
Ah, it's like this. I think you have this. Everyone have this. This.
Okay. The
Okay.
bag.
Yeah, we call that backpack. Can you say backpack?
Backpack.
Okay, do you have a backpack?
Yes. I have.
Okay, good. Next, do you have a paper?
Yes.
How about pencils?
Yes.
Good. Okay, now first picture, what are they doing?
They are.
They are, what's this? They are what? They, okay. They are going upstairs. Ah, okay, okay. Very good. Go upstairs. Okay, read this one. They are going upstairs. They are
They are going upstairs.
very good. Okay, next picture. This. What is she doing?
He is playing game.
Okay, how about the third picture? What are they doing?
They are um, um,
They are
in bathroom.
yes, they're in the bathroom taking a bath. Next picture.
They are sleeping.
They're sleeping. Okay, next. Oh, wait. Okay, okay. They're sleeping. Very good. Now read, please.
On Sunday night, the children go to bed early. Monday, a big day.
Very good. Now my question, Dalio. What do you do during Sunday? What do you do during Sunday?
Um, I don't know the ring.
Ah, during. Trunglok? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Um, I do my homework, eat, sleep, play, and go to school. Um, no. And um, go to
What is it? You do your homework, you go to what? You go to the mall?
pray. Okay, I'm writing.
Okay, you're right.
Okay.
Okay. The hoop team. Oh, extra study. What kind of extra study?
I don't know.
What extra study is it? Is it you're learning math, English, or what? What extra study are you taking?
Math,
Math.
Vietnamese, and
Vietnamese math. And
English.
oh, okay. So what time do you sleep on Sunday?
Yes.
I mean, what time do you sleep on Sunday?
Um, 9 or what?
9?
9 or what?
9:01. Okay. Got it. Next, first picture. What is happening? This one. That's the first picture.
Get up.
Get up. Next picture. This one.
Um, um,
What is she doing?
uh,
What? Oh, sorry, I did not see. Okay. Tie. Oh, very good. Can you say it? She is tying her shoelaces. She is.
mm, tiếp số gọi
So she is tying her shoelaces. Now what's that? To the last picture, what is he doing? He is.
he is I don't know.
He is
He is
getting dressed. Okay, read.
getting dressed. The
Read.
children get dressed.
Okay. Next, what are they doing?
They are eating.
Very good. What are they eating?
They are eating milk and bread.
You can't eat milk. They're drinking milk and eating bread. Say it again.
Mm, Eating they're eating bread and drinking milk.
Very good. Okay. And what's that in the middle? What's that? This one.
I don't know.
Jam.
M
Do you know jam?
okay.
Okay. Can you please call the wait. Call Diamond, please. Then answer me. What is she doing?
He brought my tea.
Yeah, she's brushing her teeth. Say it again. She is brushing her teeth.
He brought her tea.
Okay, please call Diamond. Is Diamond there? Where's
I don't know.
Diamond?
Uh, the diamond. Um,
Diamond's not there?
okay. Mm, okay, I'm writing.
Diamond. Ah, okay, okay. Tonight. I will meet him tonight. Okay, so actually we don't have more time left, Diamond. So I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.
Bye. Tạm biệt.
Tạm biệt.
Bye bye. Tạm biệt.